Kamusta na mga kaibigan? Ako po si Teacher Lexter and welcome back to Teacher Lexter's Math Class Channel. Lahat ng bagay na nakikita natin sa ating paligid ay may kinalaman sa ating topic ngayon. Halika't samahan mo ako at pag-aralan natin ang topic about solid figures. Last time we have discussed all about plane figures. We have the polygons and as well as the circle. Today we are going now to have visualizing and describing solid figures. For our presentation, let us first differentiate the plane figures and the solid figures. Plane figures are closed plane figures. They are polygons. They are circles. Okay? So this one is also a two-dimensional shapes. Ibig sabihin po nito, dalawa lang po yung dimension niya. For example, we have here our rectangle. Okay? Our rectangle. So we have the height and the length. So dalawa po yung dimension niya. Ang height lang, tapos ang kanyang length. Samantalang in our solid figures, this one is called three-dimensional figures. Bakit po? Kasi po tatlo ang kanyang dimension. Okay, let's say we have this rectangular prism. We have the length, the width, and the height. Kanina, we have the height at length lang. Okay? Samantalang dito, we have the length, the height, and the width. Okay po? So, yan po ang pinagkaiba ng solid figures. Solid figures, meron po yung space. Kaya po, ang ibang tawag dyan, the other term for solid figures is also called spatial figures. Let us now identify the solid geometric shape. First, we have our cube. Here we have our cube. Cube have 6 equal square faces. So, ang mukha po ng ating cube ay puro square. Okay? 6 po ito. Okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? We have 12 edges. Ang edge po nito, itong pinakang gilid nito. Okay? So, and 8 vertices. Ito naman po yung 8 vertices natin, yung pinakang kanto. Okay? The angle between two adjacent faces is 90 degrees. Okay? Lahat po ng angle niyan is equal to 90 degrees. Okay po? So, we have here the real life example of our cube shape. Okay, we have the alphabet block, we have the Rubik's cube, we have the GIF, the die, and we have here the ice cube. Okay, ang tawag po dito ay ice cube. Pag ang yellow po ay buo at naka-square po siya, okay, ang faces niya po ay square, ice cube po ang tawag. Pero pag may butas po ang yellow ninyo na binili sa tindahan, ang tawag po natin doon ay ice tube. Okay po? Next, we have our rectangular prism. So, tingnan po natin ano ba ang itsura ng ating rectangular prism from the word rectangle. Okay? So, rectangular prism, of course, they have 6 rectangular faces. Opposite faces are equal to each other. So, ang mga mukha po nito naman ay puro rectangle. Okay po? So, dito po, ang faces po nito ay rectangle. Equal po ang kanilang faces dun sa opposite side nito. Okay? So, parehas ng cube, we have 12 edges and 8 vertices. The angle between two adjacent faces is also 90 degrees. Okay? So, here we have the example of our rectangular prism. The real-life example, we have our eraser, the aquarium, the GIF, the cabinet, okay, and many others. The next solid figure is what we call triangular prism. From the word itself, triangle. So, here a triangular prism have 5 faces and 9 edges and 6 vertices. Okay po? So, mapapansin po natin dito, may face siyang rectangle. At the same time, meron din siyang dalawang face ng triangle. So, 2 faces are triangular congruent and parallel to each other. Okay, here are the example of our real-life triangular prism. Okay, so we have here the tent, the house, ito pong bubong mismo nito, the watermelon, okay, and many others. The next solid figure that we have is what we call cylinder. Okay, alamin po natin kung ano ba tong cylinder na to. Okay, cylinder have two circular faces that are congruent, same shape and size. Okay? So, ito po yung congruent na faces nito. Itong nasa baba at itong nasa taas. Okay? Baba, taas at baba na faces ng cylinder. Bilog po ito, circular faces. Okay po? Faces connected by a curved surface. So, ito po ay pa-curve, no? So, tingnan po natin yung mga real-life example ng ating cylinder. Okay, dito po mapapansin ninyo sa ating real-life example, we have the can, the cake, the mug, the drum, the battery, and many others. The next solid figure that we have is what we call the sphere. Okay, sphere, they don't have faces. They don't have sides or vertices. Bakit kaya walang muka ang sphere? Bakit kaya walang sides? Bakit kaya walang vertices? So, kakaiba itong solid figure natin na ito kasi ito yung naiiba sa lahat kasi halos lahat ay merong sides, halos lahat ay merong faces at vertices. Tama po ba? Pero ang sphere po kasi ay bilog na bilog. So, all points are located at the same distance from the center. Okay po? So, alamin po natin what are the real-life example of our sphere. Okay, here we have the ball, the soccer ball, the globe, the billiard ball, okay, and many others. The next solid figure that we have is a cone. A cone is a circular base with a curved surface connecting the base to the apex. Okay, so dito po mapapansin po natin, ang base po nito ay bilog. Ito po yung cone natin at ito yung apex natin nasa pinakang tuktok. Okay? Okay, we have the types of cones. We have the right cone and the oblique cone. So, alamin po natin kung ano po yung mga real-life examples ng ating cone. So, here we have our ice cream cone, the Christmas tree, the party hat, the carrots. Okay. So, marami po tayong example ng ating cone. The last solid figure that we have here in our lesson is what we call pyramid. Pero marami pa pong iba't ibang klase ng solid figure that we have. Okay? So, pero sa ating discussion ngayon, ito na po yung pinaka-last natin. We have the pyramid. Okay, pyramid is a one polygonal base. Okay, 3 or more triangular faces connect to make an apex. So, dito po, ang faces po ng ating pyramid ay puro triangle. So, yun po ang pakatandaan nyo. Pag pyramid, kailangan po ang mga faces niyan, ang mukha niyan ay puro triangle. So, the pyramid is also named according to the shape of base. Mamaya po, sa susunod nating slide, alamin po natin kung ano po ba yung mga base. Okay? Para malaman po natin kung ano at anong pangalan ng ating mga pyramid. Alamin muna po natin ang ating real life examples ng ating pyramid. Okay. So, we have here our example of pyramid. Okay? The slippery sign. Okay? The tower. Okay? We have the pyramid. Okay? We have also the tent. So, these are the example of our pyramid. Now, we have here the kinds of pyramid. Last time, we have noticed that this pyramid is named according to the shape, okay, of its base. So, tingnan po natin ano ba yung mga shape ng base na meron tayo dito. Okay? We have what we call triangular pyramid. Bakit po triangular pyramid? Because the base itself is a triangle. Okay po? Next, we have the square pyramid. Here we have the square pyramid because the base is a square. Okay? Then next, we have the rectangular pyramid. Okay? The base is a rectangle. Sir, pwede po ba ditong pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid? Opo, pwede po kahit octagonal pyramid. So, basta po ang mahalaga sa pyramid, the faces must be triangle. Okay po? Sana po maliwanag sa atin ang ating mga kinds of pyramid. For smart ideas, solid figures or three-dimensional figures are solid and have three dimensions: the length, the width, the height, or thickness. As what I have said, solid figure is also called spatial figures. For your math activity, what you're going to do is just to draw. Okay, here we have the names of the solid figures. Then you're just going to draw. Let's say we have the cube. So what you're going to do is to draw the cube here. Okay, for the pyramid, we have the three kinds of pyramid. We have the square pyramid, rectangular pyramid, and triangular pyramid. Dito nyo po i-drawing sa baba lahat. Okay po, sana po ay magawa nyo ng tama at maayos ang ating math activity. For our second activity, what you're going to do is just to cut out the real-life solid figures. So kung may makita kayo sa mga magazine, sa dyaryo, sa mga gamit ng mga books, so hanapin nyo po yung mga real-life example ng solid figures natin at gupitin po ninyo at idikit po ninyo dito. Kung wala naman kayong mga kagamitan para mahanap itong mga real-life solid figures natin, so ang kailangan nyo pong gawin ay i-drawing po ito. So gawin po ito ng maayos, maging creative, at sana po ay magawa nyo po ito ng tama. At ayan mga kaibigan, nakatapos naman po tayo sa panibagong aralin natin sa araw na ito. Sana po ay marami tayong natutunan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig at sa inyong panonood. Huwag na huwag po natin kalimutang i-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Katulad ng mga solid figures na mayroong space, sana po ay magkaroon din ng space sa ating puso't isipan para mapatawad ang mga taong nagkasala sa atin.